For Shabana Bano, life took an ugly turn when her husband of 4 years divorced her for dowry in 2005. Shabana was sent back to her parents' home, pregnant and penniless. She filed a petition for maintenance under Section 125 of the CRPC, only to have her plea rejected.
केस तो बहुत ज्यादा टफ था और बहुत लंबा समय हो गया। फैमिली कोर्ट से भी कुछ हक ना मिला, वहाँ से ये समझ लीजिए एक तरह से मैं हार गई। उसके बाद जाके मैंने सुप्रीम कोर्ट में केस दायर किया, वहाँ से मुझे थोड़ा सा रिलैक्स मिला है, हक मिला है अपना।
But then the Supreme Court gave Shabana a new lease of life in December last year when it upheld her right to maintenance. The apex court's verdict had a precedent, the landmark judgment of 1985 in the famous Shah Bano case.
It became a landmark because the Shah Bano judgment held that a Muslim woman was entitled to maintenance even after the iddat period, after a divorce, and justified it both on the basis of the constitution and also on the basis of Muslim personal law.
Earlier, Muslim women applied for maintenance under Section 125 of the CRPC, which awarded monthly maintenance to the divorced woman even beyond the iddat period, or the 3 months after divorce. After the Shah Bano verdict, the government brought in the Muslim Women's Protection of Rights in Divorce Act 1986, which tried to restrict the rights of maintenance to the iddat period.
In 1985 until now, a large number of very liberal and progressive judgments have been delivered by the Supreme Court. So in a way, indirectly, the Muslim law is being reformed.
Like in the Daniel Latifi case in 2001.
In the Daniel Latifi case, what happened was that the court interpreted Section 3 again broadly and held that a Muslim woman had the right to maintenance as well as a right to fair and just provision, and the fair and just provision could be for life. That interpretation stands till now.
Though that legal position holds till now, the worry is it is still open to interpretation, which is why even 25 years after the progressive judgment, women like Shabana have to fight for their rights.
जो लड़कियां मेरी जैसी हैं, जिन्हें हक नहीं मिला है, तो मैं तो इतना चाहूंगी कि उन्हें हक मिले।
With Bureau Inputs in New Delhi, this is Divya Iyer.